Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you my presentation on Smiley Decision, why you should decide to build on a landfill. So first off, landfills are huge in America. From this graphic, you can see that landfills actually, they're about, any given landfill is about from 500 acres to 1,000. And there's actually quite a few that are still open in the US, but there's a lot that are closed, as you can see by these green spaces. Um, because of that, there's a lot of opportunity to build, and a lot of people take advantage of landfills, not just for buildings and houses, but also to build parks and solar farms. They can dual for both things. You could have housing with a park. Um, because of just the great sheer amount of landfills that are closed off in America, they make great places and cheaper places to build on. So whenever you're going to build on a landfill, there are two major problems that can arise, such as sinkholes and harmful gases. So for sinkholes, that's because the trash or the waste that's underneath is still shifting, and that can lead the soil to erode. And the methane is what it comes, that is the harmful gas that can be left over from the trash that is still in there. Um, but the solutions for those things are really basic. For the gas, you just need vents. If it's a low level amount of gas, you don't really need fans, and it's just pylons for sinkholes. Like I said, vents, depending on the amount of gas that's still present, fans are needed, but pipes, if there's a low level amount, which in this case there is, um, so it's just a pipe driven into the ground. And then pylons, you with sinkholes you have pylons and then different levels of soil, sand, and gravel that can shift with the weight of the shifting waste underneath. So it's really not that hard. So right now the reason why we need to be building is because there is a housing bubble, meaning that there is such a high demand, and right now as you can see from this graphic, the demand's going up, but the amount of houses, however, aren't going up. And so we need to keep building in order to keep the price down for housing. And building on landfills is actually much cheaper because the land um, is much more expensive if it has not been developed yet, meaning we don't know what's in that soil. We haven't prepared like a water table assessment. And so, in conclusion, building on a landfill would be so much cheaper because you wouldn't be having to build on new land and develop that, and it's less risk for the environment. Thank you.